So I got this from a guy in Claremont, $100 with a trailer. It's a Chrysler little four-seater. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it down and see what it looks like after I wash it down. New project. See how it goes. It took a little time to take off what was on it. Some spots I got to fix right there. Got to fix that. Spot in the front. Interior carpet's got to come out. Unless I want to grow seeds and things in there. But steering works. I know that. Just got to change the cables. And seats need to be. I don't know. These ones look okay. I know that this one's ripped in the front. That one looks pretty good too. So maybe just clean it up a little bit more on the inside. But day one looks like a success for $100 with a trailer. Again, got myself a little craft. Yeah, it's adorable. So next step is to take the interior out. We'll see what happens.